Very good morning, class. Today we are going to start the remaining questions of the exercise, that is from 6th onward. The question number 6 is saying that if angle A is and angle B are acute angle. Acute angle means less than 90 degree. Got it, class? Such that cos A is equals to cos B. Then show that angle A equals to angle B. हमें क्या दिखाना है कि एंगल A और एंगल B इक्वल है कि नहीं है, ये हमें प्रूव करना है. That we have to prove. So class, what is given? It's given cos A equals to cos B. We need to prove angle A equals to angle B. That we need to prove. Now look here, class. First of all, I make a triangle. What is saying? A and B are the acute angle. A and B are the acute angle. It means this and this angle is less than 90, and this I will assume C. Is there any problem? Now, class, let's go with the given part. It is cos A equals to cos B. Cos A, this it means it's a cos A. It's angle A. If angle is A, then base is AC, and hypotenuse is AB. We are very familiar, class. Cos is base upon hypotenuse. Sine is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So cos is given. So if angle A is this, then that one is the base. That is AC upon AB. For the cos B, this angle is B. Now it means opposite to this side, upon this angle is perpendicular. But what we need? We need a base. So base is BC. BC upon hypotenuse is AB. So class, had you observed anything in this? That AB and AB both are the denominator, so they can be cancelled out. Now what we have proved, that AC equals to BC. कि AC and BC both are equal. If both are equal, then we had studied about the isosceles triangle properties, that if two sides are equal, then their opposite angle are also equal. If two sides are equal, then their opposite angle will also be equal. So AC का opposite क्या है? Angle B, and BC opposite is angle A. That we need to prove. What is given the question? That angle A and B are the acute angle, and cos A equals to cos B. But we need to prove that angle A equals to angle B. So before that, we had used that given part, that is cos A equals to cos B. So cos is base upon hypotenuse. So cos A, if angle A is this, so base is AC. AC upon hypotenuse is AB. So AC upon AB. For this cos B, I have not done for myself that both are equal. It's given in the question. ये चीज गिवन है आपको, इक्वल है कि दोनों, ठीक है. नाउ cos B, if angle B is this, so base is BC and hypotenuse is AB. AB and AB cancel out. What is left? AC equals to BC. If two sides are equal, then their opposite angle are also equal. That is the requirement for the question. Got it, class? So develop this. Question number 7. What is saying? That if cot theta equals to 7 upon 8, in the 7th question it is given cot theta is equals to 7 upon 8. Correct, class? What's the demand? to find A part is 1 plus sin theta 1 minus sin theta, I think so. Upon 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta, and second part is cot square theta. Isn't doubt? Cot square theta we need to prove. So class, again I am going with the first point, that cot theta equals to base upon perpendicular. So base is 7, perpendicular is 8, but what's the demand for the question? That they are demanding for the value of sin theta. So value of sin theta is P upon H. It's a B, it's a P. Where is H? So we need to find out the value of H in this. Okay. It's base upon perpendicular. So base is 7 and perpendicular is 8. We need to find H by Pythagoras. Theorem, H square equals to P square plus B square. H we need to find. P is 8 का whole square plus 7 का whole square. 8 is 64 and that is 49. What we are getting? 9 plus 4 is 13. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 1 130. So H square, it's again H square. If you remove this square, what we are getting? Root. This is the value of H. Now why to use this value as a H? Because it's not a perfect value to find out the square root. So we have used this same value. There is no any change. Now class, what they are asking for? Sin theta. What is sin theta? P upon H. What is P class? P is 8 and H is, we will find that is root of 13. Isn't problem? And cos theta, that is B upon H. So B is 7 and H is root of 13. Is it out in till here? It's a half part. Now I'll start with the A part, for what the question is demanding for. Should I have this? Okay. Remember class, it's a sine value. Sin theta is 8 upon root 13 and cos theta is 7 upon root 13. Isn't out? I'm going to rub this part only, and because I need to find the requirement, that is 1 plus sin theta 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. So class, I put the value 1 plus, what is sin theta? 8 upon root of 113 and 1 minus sin theta, so 1 minus 8 upon root of 113 upon 1 plus, what is cos theta? 7 upon root 13 and this is 1 minus 7 upon root 13. Now class, look at here properly. In the class 9th exercise 2.5 or 2.6, we have done the identity, that is A plus B, A minus B is equals to A square minus B square. So A is 1 and B is 8 upon root 13. A is 1 and B is 8 upon root 13. So A plus B, A minus B, but we are getting A square minus B square. It's applicable for this. Now same, it's A is 1, B is 7 upon root 13, 113. Again A minus B is 7 upon root 113. Again A square minus B square will be there. So A square, what is A? 1 square minus, what is B? B is 8 upon root of 13 का whole square divided by, again for the same, A square minus 7 upon root of 13 का whole square. Isn't that class? 1 square is always 1. minus square of 8 is, there is a square, 8 square, if the power, if the whole value is taking power 2, so square, the both value will be squared, either it is in denominator, either it is in numerator. 8 का square is 64. Now class, if anything root is squared, if root is squared, then root and square will cancel out. What is left? 113. Simple. Got it? So 113. 1 minus 7 का square is 49 upon 113. Now class, take an LCM. What is LCM? 113. So 113 divided by 1 is 113. Multiply with 113. 1 is 113 minus 64 upon, again LCM 113. It's a 1. So what we are getting again 1. 49. So should I have this part? One 113 minus 64, right? We have seen upon 113. 113 minus 49 upon 113. Now class, what is that? 113 minus 64 is 49. Now class, if this is in denominator and this is also in denominator, so the both value will be cancel out. Both value will be cancel out. Okay. Now it's a 64, so that's the answer. Now the question is how these values are cancel out. Now look it properly. It's a 49 upon 130. This is divide. It's a 64 upon 113. Now class, if I reciprocal the value, the sign will change, and it's come in multiply. So this will cancel out. What is there? 49 upon 64. It's a solution for all this. Then out. Yet second part is there. That is cot square theta. There are this. What I had in class? First of all, I use cot theta equals 7 upon 8. That is, base is 7 and perpendicular is 8, from which I find out the value of h. And after finding the value of h, we are finding the value of sin theta and cos theta. Sin is p upon h. What is p there? 8. And what is h we had find? That is root 113. So it's there. Cos theta is base is 7 and hypotenuse is root of 113. Now apply this value in this. Here I got an identity, that is a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square. Again a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square. So a square is, what is a? 1. It's a square. And minus sign is there, and it's a b. So square of b. So 8 upon root 113 का whole square. Divide, there is a divide sign. Again a square, a minus a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square. So square of a is 1 का square is 1 always, minus it's a b. So square of b. So 7 upon root of 113 का whole square. What we are getting? 1 square minus 1 का square is always 1, minus 8 का square is 64 upon root of 113. I had said if a value carrying a root and square both, so square and root will cancel out. What is there? A single value, that is 113. Again the same, 1 square is 1, minus 7 plus 49 upon 113. We are taking an LCM. Okay, LCM, after taking LCM, okay, it's a 113 minus 64, 113 minus 49. So it's a here 113 minus 64, that is 49 upon 113. Got it? 113 minus 49, that is 64 upon 113. And how both these values are cancelled, I had explained here. Is there any problem? Now class, second part. What's the second part? That is cot square theta. So class, we know it. What is cot theta? That is 7 upon 8 का whole square. Again it is 49 upon 64. Is any problem? No. Now class, 8th question. Eighth question is 3 cot A is equals to 4. So cot A equals to 4 upon 3. Now what's the demand of the question? To prove. What do you have to check? What do you have to check? That is 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equals to cos square A minus sin square A. ठीक है, we have to check either they are equal or not. Means value of this should be equals to this. If they are not, then we'll write that they are not equal. Got it, class? Now, what is tan? Tan is P upon B. Now, what is cot? B upon P. B is 4 and P is 3. So it means value of tan can be found easily with the help of cot theta. No problem. Now for the cos and sine. In a cosine science, there is a requirement for the hypotenuse. And to find out the hypotenuse, what you have to do? We have to use the Pythagoras theorem to find out the value of h. Okay. Now, it's a b upon p. It means solution we are doing here. What is b? It's a 4. What is p? It's a 3. We need to find value of h. So by Pythagoras theorem, so h square equals to p square plus b square. What is p? 3 का whole square. What is b? It's a 4 का whole square. It's a 9 plus 16. What you are getting? 25 class. So h square equals to 25. And you move this square, what we are getting? Root of 25. That is 5. Is there a problem? Okay. Now, you find the value of h. Now, cos A equals to, what is there? Base upon hypotenuse. What is base? Base is 4, hypotenuse is 5. Sine, what is sine A? That is P upon h. What is P? P is 3. What is h? That is 5. That's the value of cos A and sin A. And for the tan A is P upon B. What is P? 3. What is B? It's a 4. Now class, the value which is required to us that we have find, that is tan. Tan is 3 upon 4. Cos 4 upon 5. Sin 3 upon 5. This value as we have find. Is there any problem till here? Okay, if there is no problem, then we are going with the demand of the question. Now, in this block we are writing. What is tan? Tan A is P upon B, that is 3 upon 4. What is sine? Sine, that is P upon H. P upon H, that is 3 upon 5. Cos is B upon H, that is 4 upon 5. This value we have put in particular given situation. That is 1 minus tan square A. Tan A is 3 upon 4 का whole square upon 1 plus tan is 3 upon 4 का whole square is equals to cos is 4 upon 5 का whole square minus sin is 3 upon 5 का whole square. Is in doubt class? Now 1 is 1, 3 का square is 9, 4 का square is 16 upon 1 plus 9 upon 16, again the same. Here is square of 4 is 16, square of 5 is 25, minus square of 3 is 9, square of 5 is 25. Now class, in this we are taking LCM. So 16 is the LCM for this. So 16 multiply with the 1, 16 minus 9 upon 16 plus 9 upon 16. It's LCM class, okay? So it's again LCM, with the value are same, there will be no change. Then both these value will be subtracted, that is 16 minus 9. Now class, as in previous question I had explained that why these are cancelled. Their values are equal and remaining in the numerator and denominator. So 16 minus 9 is 7, 16 plus 9 is 25, 16 minus 9 is 7 and it's at 25. So that's 2. Isn't doubt class? Isn't doubt? Okay. Now question number 9. What is saying? That a triangle is there, A, B, C. Right angle at B. It's a B. So A, B, C. What is given? That tan A is equals to 1 upon root 3. So it means class it's a B upon B. Angle is A. This is the angle A. Got it? So perpendicular is 1. Base is root 3. We need to find this first of all. Is any problem? So P is 1. Base is root 3. We need to find H by Pythagoras. Theorem. H square equals to P square plus B square. What is P? It's a 1. What is B? It's a root 3 whole square. So 1 ka square is 1 and B is 3. Because I told you root 3 is there and there is a square on it, then root and square will be cancelled out. So 1 plus 3 is 4. So H square equals to 4. So H equals to root of 4, that is 2. That is 2. So class, now this is 2. Is any problem class? Okay, now what's the demand for the question? I am solving here. First demand is sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. So class, here is A, angle A. For the sin A, if angle A is this, then this is the perpendicular P upon H, that is BC upon AC. So 1 upon 2 sin C. If this is angle sin, if this is C angle, then this is a perpendicular. So AB upon AC, that is root 3 upon 2. Again cos A, that is base upon hypotenuse. What is cos A? If A is this, then this is the base, that is AB upon AC, root 3 upon 2. I am going to write this first of all. Now cos C, what is base upon H? Now this is angle C, so this is the base. So BC upon AC, that is 1 upon 2. Now first part is sin C, sin A, cos C plus cos A, sin C. What is sin A? Sin A is 1 upon 2. Cos C is again 1 upon 2 plus cos A is root 3 upon 2. Sin C is root 3 upon 2. So 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4 plus root 3 into root 3 is 3. As I told you before that if same value in the root are multiplied, then the root is removed and there is value without the root. So 4. We are taking LCM. So 4 is the LCM. 1 plus 3 is 4. So it's a 1. Again the B part, what's the demand? That is cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. What is cos A? Cos A is root 3 upon 2. Cos C is 1 upon 2. Multiply again. Minus sin A is 1 upon 2. Sin C is root 3 upon 2. So 1 into root 3. So the root 3 is there. Root 2 into, 2 into 2 is 4. Minus 1 into root 3. Root 3. 2 into 2 4. A value, same value can are having opposite sign. Then they are cancelled. The answer is 0. That's all for today. Thank you.